So guys, to fix the problem, make sure that your game has been closed. Now we're going to go to settings. Now we're going to scroll down till we find sound settings. We're going to scroll down till we find sound settings. You want to click on that. Now you want to select audio output settings. Now you want to select what you're using. I'm using HDMI, so I'm going to choose that. Now you want to select manual. Now here's the important part. Make sure that everything here has been ticked. You want to tick everything here. So if something has been unticked, you want to tick it. Again, you want to tick everything in this list. Now once you do that, we're going to go to the right. It's going to be saying if the device in use does not support the frequency selected, the speakers may be damaged. Now this may be true if you select everything, so you can do this at your own risk. However, for me, this works. And I actually found this solution on Reddit, and it worked for many other people as well. So do this at your own risk. However, for me, it did actually work, and I've had no issues so far. So if you do want to continue, you want to click on yes. Click on enter. And then yeah, once you do all of that, this should now fix your problem.